Truck drivers carrying loads of wood, which can weigh tens of tons, must navigate extreme terrains. With their skills, they risk their lives to traverse steep paths haunted by very deep ravines. They undoubtedly wonder if they will make it home safely. Take for instance this one truck that must pass through narrow and steep roads while carrying a considerable load of wood. With maximum effort, the truck steadily creeps towards its destination. This old truck has to work hard to complete its task. Its job is to transport pieces of wood safely to their destination. Although the wood pieces are small, the terrain the truck must cross is quite steep and muddy. With a sufficiently powerful engine, this truck can still traverse extreme terrains while carrying fairly large pieces of wood. Despite having to navigate through cliffs and ravines, it manages to move forward. You can see how these trucks struggle to transport the logs, which can weigh tens to hundreds of tons. Moreover, slippery road conditions make it necessary for these trucks to get assistance from heavy machinery to move. Because it cannot carry dozens of logs by itself, this truck is assisted by 3 pieces of heavy machinery to move through the muddy terrain. It's understandable that this truck needs such assistance given the extreme conditions it faces. With a load of wood weighing tens of tons, this truck must cross rivers and navigate muddy terrain. Even though the driver is experienced, such terrain remains a challenge for them. Using all its power, this truck tries to pass the rugged terrain while carrying a very heavy load of wood. Unfortunately, due to the heavy load, the truck fails to traverse the area. Imagine the difficulty a truck driver faces when transporting this much wood over such extreme terrain. With narrow, steep, and slippery paths, it's undoubtedly a huge challenge for the truck drivers. It's truly nerve-wracking. A truck carrying tens of tons of wood crosses a seemingly fragile bridge. The bridge is made of makeshift tree trunks, raising serious questions about its durability. The skills of this truck driver are undeniable. Thanks to years of experience, he can navigate through such extreme terrain, even passing dangerously narrow paths that threaten his safety. Despite traversing extremely muddy terrain, this vehicle can still move confidently. All of this is thanks to its engine and steel wheels, which are perfect for muddy conditions like these. At a relatively high speed, this truck attempts to pass through muddy and watery terrain while carrying a load of wood in the back. This technique is indeed useful for preventing the truck from getting stuck in the very slippery mud. While carrying a load of wood, this truck slowly creeps along this steep road. Although it's not extremely dangerous, terrain like this still has the potential to threaten the safety of the truck driver. Therefore, the truck driver must remain cautious. Even though the road isn't very extreme, this truck still needs to stay alert for its own safety and that of other drivers. The substantial load it carries makes it quite dangerous if not handled carefully. Any mistake could result in fatal consequences. Look at the struggle of a truck driver transporting a load of wood through extreme terrain. With narrow and slippery road conditions, the driver must stay completely focused while hauling the load. This truck appears to be carrying a load of wood. However, the load is unusual because the wood being transported is very large. Each log probably weighs up to tens of tons. This certainly makes it very dangerous when passing through extreme terrain. At maximum speed, this truck speeds along the steep road. Carrying a heavy load of wood makes this task particularly dangerous. One small mistake and the driver would bear the consequences. The struggle of this truck carrying a load of wood is truly remarkable. Despite the heavy load, the truck can still navigate through muddy and flooded roads. It continues to move forward despite all these obstacles. The combination of a powerful truck and the exceptional skills of the truck driver makes transporting loads of up to tens of tons much easier, even when they have to navigate steep and slippery muddy terrain. Thanks to special tires and its powerful engine, this vehicle can pass through very deep mud. Despite carrying a relatively heavy load, it's truly impressive how it handles these conditions. With a load of large-sized timber weighing tens of tons, this truck slowly traverses an extremely rough road. The challenge lies in the fact that this road is crossed by a river. However, the most frightening part is the truck crossing a narrow bridge. This moment can be considered quite terrifying. The reason is that the truck carrying several logs crosses a fairly swift river. If there is even a slight mistake, the truck could be swept away by the river's current. Carrying an extremely heavy load, this truck must navigate through rough terrain to reach its destination. This is because the path it takes is steep and very slippery. However, the two trucks manage to get through it. Look at how a tandem truck carrying such a heavy load of timber struggles to overcome obstacles. The obstacles it faces are extremely challenging. The terrain it passes through is steep and muddy. Due to the very steep terrain and the heavy load, this truck speeds up. The goal is to prevent the truck from stopping while climbing. And sure enough, the truck successfully climbs the incline with ease. The actions of this truck driver are truly courageous. Imagine with such a heavy load of timber, he crosses a fairly deep river without the slightest hesitation. The river is quite swift as well, truly terrifying. This truck driver is considered very dangerous. With a large vehicle and quite a heavy load, he boldly crosses this wooden bridge. If something unwanted happens, the truck could fall into the river. This truck seems to be attempting to cross a fairly deep river. Fortunately, the river is quite calm, so it does not endanger the truck and its driver. Nonetheless, the truck driver must remain vigilant. Look at how this truck driver, carrying a load of wood, struggles to navigate the rugged and narrow terrain. It's even more dangerous because there's a rather deep ravine on the left side, making the loading process truly hazardous. In prime condition, this truck is confident enough to carry a substantial load of wood over such extreme terrain. Moreover, with 2 additional loads, the burden the truck must bear becomes even heavier. Due to the considerable and heavy load, this truck struggles to traverse the rough road. Although the road is not slippery, the truck moves slowly to maintain the balance of the load. Can you imagine how a truck driver carrying such a heavy load has to pass through extreme terrain like this? On the side of the road, there is a very deep ravine. It's truly terrifying. With the experience and skills of the truck driver, he is able to carry such a large load over a fairly steep road. His abilities truly deserve appreciation.